There are certain moments in the day when everything seems to slow down. The light softens, the wind becomes gentler, and even the ordinary begins to feel a little more beautiful. Those quiet moments have always inspired me. They remind me that beauty doesn't have to be loud to leave an impression. That's the feeling I wanted to capture when I began dreaming about this new collection. Some projects begin in familiar places. Others arrive during seasons of change. As our home slowly fills with moving boxes and life begins preparing for its next chapter, I find myself wanting to begin something new as well. Creativity doesn't always wait until everything is perfectly organized. Sometimes it meets us right in the middle of change. Between packed boxes and unfinished rooms and the ordinary rhythms of everyday life, there is still room to create something beautiful, and I think that's exactly where Golden Hour found its belonging. Every collection begins long before the first stitch. It begins with a feeling, a season, a memory, a color that refuses to leave your mind. Before I ever pick up my hook, I like to spend time exploring ideas on paper. Sketches don't have to be perfect. They're simply a place where possibilities begin to take shape. Sometimes the finished piece looks exactly like the drawing. Other times it gently guides me somewhere I never expected. That's one of the things I love most about designing. Every design has a stitch that sets the tone. Some are bold, some are intricate, others quietly allow the yarn to tell the story. For Golden Hour, I wanted something soft, something relaxed, something that feels almost effortless, like the way afternoon light settles across the garden at the end of the day. It's amazing how something as simple as a few stitches can completely change the character of a piece. The first rows rarely reveal the finished design. They're simply the beginning of a conversation. One stitch becomes another, then another, until the rhythm begins to settle in. Slowly, the texture starts to emerge, the fabric begins to drape, and little by little, the design starts revealing its own personality. That's one of my favorite parts of the process. There isn't any rush, just quiet progress, one row at a time. It's still far too early to know exactly where this journey will lead. There will probably be adjustments, new ideas, unexpected turns. That's simply part of designing something original. But every collection begins with a single decision to start. I'm excited to see where Golden Hour leads in the weeks ahead, and I'm grateful you've decided to come along for this journey. Thank you for spending another quiet evening with me. Whether your own life feels settled or you're standing in the middle of a season of change, I hope this reminds you that beautiful things can still begin. Until next time, keep making beautiful things, one stitch at a time. I'll see you soon.